Counterfeiter. Counterfeiter. Someone who makes fake copies of things, especially money. A counterfeiter admitted delivering counterfeit USA currency. A counterfeiter admitted delivering counterfeit USA currency. Exaggerate. Exaggerate. To make something seem bigger, better, or worse than it really is. He caught the fish, but he exaggerated the size of the fish. He caught the fish, but he exaggerated the size of the fish. Breach. Breach. To break or violate a rule, law, or agreement. We and you breached the government's rules. We and you breached the government's rules. Abduct. Abduct. To take someone away by force or illegally. The kidnapper abducted me on the road. The kidnapper abducted me on the road. Trespass. Trespass. To enter someone else's land or property without permission. A man trespassed on the block road. A man trespassed on the block road. Breach. Breach. A gap in something. A big breach is on our side wall. A big breach is on our side wall. Forge. Forge. To make a fake document or signature. She gave a forged documents to the police. She gave a forged documents to the police. Fugitive. Fugitive. A person who is running away or hiding from the law. A fugitive hid in our village the runaway form jail. A fugitive hid in our village the runaway form jail. Infamous. Infamous. Famous or well known for something bad or negative. She is an infamous ladies' police. She is an infamous ladies' police. Malign. Malign. To say bad or false things about someone or something. They always malign about me. They always malign about me. Intrude. Intrude. To enter a place, situation, or conversation where you are not wanted or invited. He always intrudes on somebody's privacy. He always intrudes on somebody's privacy. Degrade. Degrade. To make something worse or lower in quality. My eyes' power degraded, difficulty seeing letters on paper. My eyes' power degraded, difficulty seeing letters on paper. Suppress. Suppress. To stop something by force. The government always suppresses us. The government always suppresses us. Poacher. Poacher. A person who hunts animals illegally. The poacher hunted a deer in the forest. The poacher hunted a deer in the forest. Suppress. Suppress. To hold back feelings or emotions. I suppressed my anger and stayed calm at the birthday party. I suppressed my anger and stayed calm at the birthday party. Degrade. Degrade. To treat someone with disrespect. My friend degraded me at school. My friend degraded me at school.